Oh no, has this happened to you? Lo and behold, no engine lights. It is working. Simple solution. Turn on and off your ignition key 3 times quickly and see what code pops up. If you get a 1491 code, then watch this video. Okay, so we'll take off this radiator piece. We'll take off this front headlight. Underneath the front headlight should be the area where I can access the coolant fan relay and replace it. Have to cut through the plastic with a Dremel tool so that I can access it, and we should be good. Okay, so I was able to pull out the headlight. One bolt that secures right in over here. And once I pulled it out, there's a plastic over here. And we cut it out. I cut it. And then right underneath this plastic is this relay right here. And this seems to be causing the P1491 issues. It really doesn't look like a hard fix. Let's see if it works. Okay, so here's the old one. I went to AutoZone, which is here in America, and I got a replacement kit. It has wires in it, has the mounting hardware in case I needed it. We'll give it a shot and we'll see if it works. Okay, so the new one's plugged in. I'm gonna test it and see if the light goes off. Boy, that'd be great. Okay, with it all working, I'm going to replace the headlight, secure the lines, secure the wires, and we're good to go. Okay, putting the light back in can be kind of tricky. Take a look. These little pieces right over here, the male part will go into opening over here, as you can see. I'll clean that off. And there's another one right over here in the middle of the screen. As you can see, I'll clean that off and we'll push it back in nice and secure, and we'll put back the bolts and screws and we should be good to go. Alrighty, let's see. Lo and behold, no engine lights. It is working. Fix and mission accomplished. Subscribe and like our channel here at Marlboro M2C.